Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to link Riot Games account to Xbox and how to get Pocket Sage Buddy. As you know, when we connect our Riot account and our Xbox account, we get Pocket Sage Buddy. When we do this account linking process until January 1st, we can receive the following game rewards even if we do not have a Game Pass membership. If we have Game Pass, we get these three things starting December 12th. All current agents. If you have not just started the game, this is not very interesting, but if you are just starting the game, it is a really nice advantage. Access to every new agent as soon as they are released. This benefit is really nice. Because when a new agent comes out, we need to give 1,000 Valorant points to access it immediately. With this Game Pass advantage, we will be able to play newly released agents as soon as they are released without spending 1,000 Valorant points. The third advantage is my favorite. Because 20% XP boost is really important. As you know, Battle Pass only gives 3% XP boost, and this is only for Battle Pass progression. The XP boost we will get with Game Pass gives extra progress in both Battle Pass and Event Pass. And also all agents can track progress as active. In this way, we will have access to mini buddy, sprays and titles. To link our account we need to open Riot's site. I will put the link in the description section. You can enter the site from there. After entering the site, we click on Link Your Xbox Profile. Then we need to log into our Microsoft account. After logging into our account, we see a notification about what permissions we will give Riot Games. Click Yes to continue. Now we need to log into our Riot account. We write our username and password. After doing this, a verification code will be sent to the email linked to our Riot account. As you can see, we can see the Xbox link in our Riot account. I hope this video was useful for you.